how to transfer Google Photos to a pen drive or a flash drive, a USB flash drive. So here's one way you can do that. You can go ahead and select whichever photo you want. Let's say these photos are here. You can hold shift to select multiple at the same time and then just click, or you could just select all of them, but that depends on you what kind of photos you want to download. Then just go ahead to more options over here and press on download. So now what you're gonna do is go to your downloads in your device and go to, of course, the newly downloaded photos. Just go ahead and select those photos and you can copy paste it directly into your USB drive like so, or you can just have two libraries open at the same time and select them all and just drag it to the new folder. So now our Google Photos is now transferred to our USB, and we're just gonna go ahead and eject this so we can take out our USB. But that's pretty much one process or one option you can do if you want to transfer Google Photos to a flash drive. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.